Converse, known for their unique models like Chuck Taylor and One Star, are now facing backlash for seemingly copying a well-known design. Critics argue that Converse should be creating something new rather than borrowing from others. This controversy raises questions about the brand's integrity and creativity. Converse, a brand with a rich history, risks damaging its image by borrowing too heavily from Adidas. While the Converse Run Star Trainer may appeal to some for its modern reinterpretation of a classic, it clearly borrows much from the Adidas Samba. For sneaker enthusiasts and loyal fans, this could be a step in the wrong direction. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. I saw them in a store for €89, but I won't be buying them. After holding them for a few minutes, I realized they're not for me. Who would even buy these? It's already not interesting. Why not create something new? In this regard, Converse really disappoints me. Probably the last impressive release from them was the Converse Run Star Hike, which sold incredibly well. To me, the Converse Run Star Trainer looks very dull and made with cheap materials. Interestingly, Adidas Samba models released after 2024 also have very poor, low-quality materials. But that's their silhouette, and now everyone is trying to copy it. What are your thoughts on this? I have nothing more to say on this topic as there's not much else to discuss. Thank you for watching.